afternoon. Today we will see about concept of ADC which we have to interface with Arduino Uno board in which we are using Arduino microcontroller. ADC means what? The device which is used to convert analog signal into the digital signal. Sometimes there will be some devices which we are getting the output as analog, but we know we are using programming in the Arduino IDE, and Arduino IDE software using only binary data, or we can say this data is a digital. It means what? It needed the data in the form of 0 and 1. So what? We can use ADC to convert the analog input to the digital output. My screen is visible. आवाज आ रही है सबको? स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
यस मैम।
ओके ओके। असाइनमेंट अभी तक किसी ने सबमिट नहीं किया है। असाइनमेंट सभी को सबमिट करना है। फर्स्ट चैप्टर अच्छी से रिवाइज करो, तभी तुम्हें सेकेंड चैप्टर में हम जो प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हैं for LED interfacing, for LCD interfacing and serial communication, we have studied these things in previous session. But firstly we have to study about the first unit जो तुमको वहाँ पे प्रोग्रामिंग का कंसेप्ट बताया है. We are using Arduino IDE software to write the program, और हम Arduino बोर्ड जो यूज करें we are using Arduino Uno बोर्ड. तो जब प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं we have to use two functions. Which functions we are using? Setup and loop function. Setup function will runs only once and loop function will runs repeatedly until the until the life cycle of program. It means what? If you are not resetting your Uno board or there is no power cutoff at that much time, your loop function will एग्जीक्यूट अगेन एंड अगेन. जैसे तुम डिले दोगे उसके बाद यदि तुम कुछ डिस्प्ले कर रहे हो लाइक यू आर डिस्प्लेइंग हेलो वर्ड, आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन? कुछ टाइम के बाद, कुछ सेकेंड मतलब कुछ मिली सेकेंड्स के बाद फिर से तुमको वो वर्ड फिर से डिस्प्ले पे दिखेगा. Why? Because you are giving here delay. We have studied LED interfacing, LCD interfacing and serial communication. In today's session, we have to study about ADC interfacing. So how we have to do? We have to interface ADC with Arduino Uno board. Mahesh, please mute yourself. If you are facing any issue at that time, you can unmute and speak. Otherwise, please don't disturb my class because remaining students will get affected. They will get disturbed. और मेरा भी लिंक ये हो जाता है, so please class को disturb मत करो. So what we have to see here? We have to interface ADC. So firstly we will see about the Arduino Uno board. ये हम पहले यूनिट में और ये बहुत बार हम Arduino Uno बोर्ड को पढ़ चुके हैं. Arduino Uno board में हम क्या क्या यूज करते हैं? We are using in Arduino Uno board one DC power jack. Here we are giving our main AC power supply. फिर we are using here USB port. We are using to connect Arduino board with our desktop. Kapil More, please mute yourself. मैं यदि एक एक को म्यूट अनम्यूट के लिए बोलूँगी तो 5 मिनट उसमें ही निकल जाएगा. और ये सब्जेक्ट इतना इजी नहीं है. इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के कंसेप्ट है, इलेक्ट्रिकल के है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में कंट्रोलर, उसके बाद हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर का प्रोग्रामिंग भी पढ़ना है तुम लोगों को. और एक्चुअली वी आर स्टडिंग लाइक टू नाउअडेज विजुअली, तो विजुअली इतने जल्दी समझ में नहीं आता है. सो प्लीज़ बी सीरियस फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट क्योंकि इसका रिजल्ट कम लगता है. रिजल्ट कम कब लगेगा? जब तुम पढ़ोगे ही नहीं, लेक्चर अटेंड ही नहीं करोगे. तो प्लीज मतलब थोड़ा सीरियस होकर लेक्चर पे ध्यान दो. और इतना भी टफ नहीं है कि मतलब मैम ऐसे डरा रहे हैं कि हम करेंगे ही नहीं, ये सब्जेक्ट बहुत टफ है. ऐसा नहीं है, प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत सिंपल है. बिकॉज यहाँ पे तुम्हें सिर्फ जो प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है, देयर आर ओनली फ्यू सेशंस लाइक एडीसी इंटरफेसिंग, एलवीडीटी, टेम्परेचर सेंसर, सीरियल कम्युनिकेशन, एलसीडी एंड एलईडी. मतलब ये 5-6 बातों के लिए ही तुम्हें प्रोग्राम चाहिए है. ऐसे इसके बाहर का प्रोग्राम तुम्हें नहीं आएगा. तो जो प्रोग्राम चाहिए वो ऑलरेडी मैं यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम लिख के तुमको बता रही हूँ, कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. तो तुमको फुल मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं ये प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए. तो मतलब तुम ध्यान दोगे तभी तुम्हें समझ में आएगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर क्लास. सो in this we are using USB port. USB port we are using connect our IDE software with Arduino Uno board. Arduino software हम किस पे रन कर रहे हैं? We are running on our desktop. So we can connect this desktop to the Arduino board by using this USB board. We are using 5 number or 17 number का pin. We are using for the reset. Reset means if we want to reset. If is there any issue, यहाँ पे कुछ issue आ रहा है या फिर power cut off हो रहा है, at that time you can make reset this button. If you are doing any wrong in programming, then at that time you can see you will get the compiler error. At that time you can make reset to the Arduino Uno board by using this reset pin. Then we have studied about microcontroller. Here we are using Atmega 328 microcontroller, which is having 28 pin. Then we have seen about the analog and digital pin. We are having 6 analog pin A0 to A6. तो यहाँ पे हम analog pin को क्या कर सकते हैं? When you are supposed to do ADC interfacing with Arduino, that time you can use these pins. कैसे यूज करेंगे? We can use this 6 pin by connecting to the Arduino software. सॉफ्टवेयर में जैसे हम ADC यूज कर रहे हैं, what we have to do, we have to write the program in software. और जो तुमको हार्डवेयर, जो तुमको प्रैक्टिकली कनेक्शंस देना है, ये एनालॉग पिन के थ्रू तुम ADC को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. Then we have seen about digital pin. We are using here D0 to D13. These are nothing but 14 digital pin. If we want to make any serial communications digital, at that time you can use these pins. These are nothing but from D0 to D13. These are used as digital pin. And at 13 number pin, we are using LED. And we can use this LED for LED interfacing also, because here is an inbuilt LED we are getting. Then we have studied about the voltage regulator, because what happened here, we are using Atmega controller, and here we are getting 40 milliampere current, but some components does not require that much current, so here voltage regulator can regulate the voltage. Then we have seen about the power sources. We are using the power sources 3 volt, 5 volt and the ground. 5 volt, 3 volt हम दो क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? Because some components of Atmega Uno board are compatible with 3.3 volt, but some are required more than 3.3 volt. That's why we are using 5 volt as well as 3 volt power supply here. Now we have to study about ADC interfacing. So there is difference between in on and off sensor, which detects the presence of object. It means what? If there is any analog circuit, if there is any analog sensor, then we can detect it is on or off, whose value are continuously changing. And if that value are changing only twice, 0 and 1, at that time we are saying this is the digital. But यहाँ पे continuously analog में क्या होता है? वैल्यू चेंज होते हैं. So in order to read this type of sensor, the sensor may be temperature sensor, humidity sensor, any sensor, but here we are getting the value changes continuously with respect to time. So here we need different type of pin. In Arduino Uno board, we are getting 6 analog pins. These pins can be referred as A0 to A5. We can use this pin as digital pin also. This special pin not only tell about voltage applied to them, but also its value. It means what? If you are connecting any analog device with this Arduino Uno board by using this analog pin, then we are getting how much voltage we are applying. You will get exact value. जब एनालॉग कंटिन्यूअस वैल्यू चेंज हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी यदि तुम यहाँ पे एनालॉग पिन के थ्रू कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो तुम्हें क्या हो जाएगा? उसकी वैल्यू मिल जाएगी वहाँ पे जो वोल्टेज अप्लाई होता है. सो वी विल स्टडी हाउ वी हैव टू यूज दिस एनालॉग पिन. Microcontroller, we are using Atmega 328. in the Arduino Uno board, but this will read only digital value. What is happening? Microcontroller is able to read only digital information. Microcontroller only understand about zeros and one. These are the binary value. So here we are using ADC, which is useful, which can convert analog continuous changing in value into the constant value. It means what? Here we can convert analog value into the digital. So what we have to do? We have to use here ADC. So ADC is having useful feature that converts analog value on pin to a digital number. By converting analog world to the digital world, मतलब analog में जो value continuously change हो रहे थे, they can be converted into the digital. So here we can start with using ADC. We can read analog signal. Here we have to study about analog read function. Analog read means what? Here we can read how much voltage we are applying. Means if you are connecting any device to this analog pin of this Arduino Uno board, then it can read the value and it can convert to the digital. So we can read analog signal from sensor by using the analog pins of Arduino Uno board. There are few sensors which are analog like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, gas sensor. You guys aware about this sensor because you are mechanical students and you are studying about these sensors, temperature, pressure, humidity, all these things you are needed. So you know how are getting the value. These are getting, here we are getting the values which are changing continuously. Pressure continuously change hota hai, then we are getting, there is changes in temperature. So what we have to do? We have to convert this analog value into the digital. If you are considering digital, एनालॉग में हम क्या करते हैं? वी आर कंसिडरिंग वोल्टेज फ्रॉम 0 to 5 बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे कौन सा वोल्टेज दे रही हूँ? वी आर गिविंग 5 वोल्ट एंड 3.3 वोल्ट. मैं यहाँ पे 2 वोल्टेज दे रही हूँ. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? वी आर गिविंग 2 वोल्टेज एंड दिस वोल्टेज मैक्सिमम इज 5 वोल्ट. सो इफ यू आर कंसिडरिंग डिजिटल में इफ यू आर कंसिडरिंग 2 वैल्यू 0 and 1, so if you are considering 1, at that time you will get 5 volt. And if you are considering 0, then you will get ground. This is nothing but 0 volt. It means what? Here we have to convert analog values which are ranges from 0 to 5. How we have to convert? We have to convert into digital value. Digital matlab 0 and 1 के through. So we know if we are converting decimal number into the binary, 0 और 5 कौन से नंबर है? डेसिमल. जो नंबर 0 से 9 तक का डिजिट कैरी करता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेसिमल नंबर. बट बाइनरी नंबर में क्या होता है? सिर्फ 0 और 1 होता है. तो हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू यूज हियर एडीसी practically. But first what we have to see? We have to see conversion. How we are converting digital value, analog value into the digital. If you are converting analog value into digital, then you can see here. If we are having any analog input function, what we have to do? We have to read. Means what? We have to see what is the value there. How we will see? We have to do these functions on Arduino board. And what is happening? Arduino board can read only digital value. तो हमें क्या करना है? वो वैल्यू को डिजिटली चेक करना है. सो इफ यू आर चेकिंग how to convert analog into digital, then if value is 0 volt, its digital is 0000. D is nothing but decimal, digital value. We are writing here for digital, or you can write here B also for binary. And ये analog है, these are nothing but decimal. तो यहाँ पे तुम D लिख सकते हो. मैंने यहाँ पे D लिखा है, but this D is showing digital, हाँ. और ये 0 volt, 5 volt, these are the decimal value. So if your value is 5 volt, so you will get here 1024. Why? Because if you are getting here maximum number 10 bit, because 5 volt क्या है? Max value है. So the reason of value 1023 is because ADC in Arduino बोर्ड वर्क्स ऑन 10-bit बाइनरी सिग्नल, मतलब वो 10-bit बाइनरी सिग्नल पे वर्क करता है. इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 10 bit. So if you are calculating 2 raised to 10, so its value is 1024. But as you are starting from 0, जैसे हम बाइट को बोलते थे, बाइट इज नथिंग बट 8 बिट, तो बाइट को हम क्या बोलते थे, 256. 256 को हम क्या लेते थे, 0 to 255, because we are taking from 0. In that way, when you are considering about analog to digital conversion, at that time if you are taking maximum voltage, this is nothing but 5 volt, but in Arduino board we are getting 10-bit binary signal, so 2 raised to 10 is nothing but 1024. So we have to consider from 0, so 0 say 1023, so its maximum digital value will be 1023. And if you are taking 2.5, तो तुम क्या करोगे, जितना वैल्यू है you will divide by 2, 5 by 2 2.5, तो 1023 divided by 2 you will get here 512, because this is 1024 divided by 2, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम पूरा जो वोल्टेज है दिस इज नथिंग बट 1024. So you will get here, if you are calculating with 1023, you will get 511.9. So you will approximate take 512. These are the digital values and these are readable by Arduino Uno board. So here, which instruction we have to write when we have to use analog? If we are to do programming, we are doing programming in Arduino IDE software. At that time, if you are supposed to use ADC, then you can use syntax like integer, VAL, this is nothing but value, equal to analog read. read एनालॉग के बाद रीड जो है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल, जैसे तुम डिजिटल राइट डिजिटल रीड में क्या करते हो, राइट जो सेकेंड वर्ड होता है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल लिखते हो. In bracket, I am writing here pin. This is nothing but the number of pin whose mode we want to set. We are having here 6 pins. So A0 to A5 में से जो pin हम use कर रहे हैं, we have to write that pin number directly. There is no need to write this pin. You can directly write integer VAL equal to analog read A0. मतलब A0 पे जो output रहेगा, that will automatically stored on your Arduino Uno board. So if you are using this instruction is saying means this is nothing but the command. What it instruction is used? This instruction is used here if you are giving analog input voltage at the pin A0, then it will be read by function and it will get converted to value from 0 to 5 volt. In digital, the value will 0 to 1023 and it will be stored in variable value. This is nothing but integer is a data type. मतलब A0 के वहाँ तुम जो वोल्टेज दे रहे हो यहाँ पे, that value will be stored. Now we will see about the analog reference instruction. It means what? If we are giving here reference voltage, this is analog input function. This function is used to select reference voltage and that voltage will be in between 0 to 1023. And if you are considering analog, it means what? That value will be in between 0 to 5 volt. What we have to do? We have to set here reference value. If you are setting, what you will write? You will write the value in between 0 to 1023. You can write here 0, you can write here 512, you can write here 1023 digitally. And that value will be reference. Means what? That value, its default value will be considered as a reference. So here, now we have to see about the write. जैसे हमने serial communication में we have studied about write serial.write function and we have studied about serial.read. ट्रांसफर के लिए हम read पढ़े थे और रिसीव के लिए हमने राइट पढ़ा था, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर रीडिंग, वी आर स्टडिंग हियर एनालॉग रीड एंड एनालॉग राइट फंक्शन. So here it is the digital out function. If we are studying analog read, we are seeing this is the analog pin. Here we are connecting analog signal to the analog pin, and here analog write function is a, it is a digital out function. When you are connecting ADC to pin number A0 to A5, these are the 6 pin we are using for analog. Means when we are getting analog input, and you are supposed to use Arduino Uno board, where we are connecting here ADC, and ADC will convert value into the digital, and this digital value will be stored on digital pin. We are having digital pin from D0 to D13. These are nothing but 14 pins. So here these pins are already default setting for PWM. PWM is nothing but pulse width modulation. मतलब ये जो पिंस है Arduino Uno बोर्ड पे, if you see this Arduino Uno board, you can see on your mobile, on your desktop, तुम सर्च कर सकते हो Arduino Uno बोर्ड का, तो तुम्हें ये सेम डायग्राम दिख जाएगा. वहाँ पे ये जो डिजिटल पिन है, कुछ पिंस को डायरेक्टली नंबर दिया है और कुछ पिंस के पहले ये टिल्ट सिंबल यूज किया है. So this tilt symbol is indicating the pulse width modulation. जो पिन को tilt symbol है, these pins are able to produce pulse width modulation. It means what? These pins जो tilt symbol के साथ pins है, वो pins तुम pulse width modulations के लिए use कर सकते हो. So here we are using D3, D5, D6, D11 and D12. These 5 pins, because here also we are having analog pin, and what we have to do, we have to convert this analog value into digital, and we are getting the pulse width modulation digitally on pin numbers D3, D5, D6, D11, D12, because these pins are default set for pulse width modulation, because the pin number which is indicating with tilde sign, these are used for pulse width modulation purpose. So these pins are indicating, these are used for pulse width modulation. Now we have to see about the write function. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, write हार्डवेयर का तुमने देख लिया कि हमें क्या करना है, जो टिल्ड वाले नंबर्स है, पिंस है, we can use for digital. अब जब हम प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे, what we have to do, we can use the syntax analog write, and at that time we have to decide duty cycle, because here we are taking digital output. Here we will get value that will be between 0 to T55, because if we are using pulse width modulations, we are getting 100% duty cycle. क्या हो रहा है हमें, 100% duty cycle we are getting. So here when we are using analog write function, at that time we are supposed to use pin. Means what? ये जो pins है, इसमें से हम कौन से pin use करें? We can use only 3 number pin, 5 number, 6 number, 11 and 12, because these pins are allocated for pulse width modulation. So what we have to do, we have to write firstly pin number, and then we have to write about the duty cycle. So here if we are getting 100% duty cycle, then we can write analog write in bracket 5, 255. In analog write syntax, duty cycle is measured from 0 to 255. 0 to 255, why? Because 100% duty cycle will corresponds to 255. जैसे हम उसको 5 वोल्ट वोल्टेज को डिजिटल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे, we are getting 2⁻10 is nothing but 1024. तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हम क्या ले रहे थे वहां पे, we will take maximum value 1023. वैसे ही ड्यूटी साइकिल का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू we are supposed to take 255 because here we are getting 256. So 0 से 255. If we are getting 100% and if there is a 50% duty cycle, 255 divided by 2, you will get 127 point. The value will be more than 5, so you can take directly 128. So like this you can solve for 30%, 40%, 70%, all this. 100% duty cycle you are supposed to take as 255. What we will write if you are taking 50% duty cycle? On pin number 5, on pin number 5 of Arduino digital pin, you are taking 50% duty cycle. Then you can write analog, write in bracket pin number 5, मतलब 5, comma you are giving 50%. 50% का वैल्यू क्या है? हमें एनालॉग वैल्यू क्या मिलता है? 128. So you can write analog, write 5, 128. But here we are giving analog input, but that will automatically converted into the digital because we are connecting here to the digital, and here we are using ADC to convert analog value into the digital value. These are the concepts we have to use in ADC interfacing. ADC interfacing में हमें क्या करना है? We have to use analog read function, we have to use analog reference function, and we have to use analog write function. When we are using analog read function, you are supposed to read analog input on the analog pins, which means A0 to A5. If you are using analog reference, at that time you are supposed to set the reference value, and that reference value will taken default value. Or if you are supposed to give reference by your own bits, then you can write value here. एनालॉग वैल्यू तुम कैसे लिख सकते हो? 1023 लिख सकते हो, 512 लिख सकते हो, कोई भी वोल्टेज यू कैन राइट हियर द वैल्यू. That will considered as a analog reference, and that value will be in between 0 to 1023, or you are taking analog, so that value will be in between 0 to 5 volt. And when you are using analog write function, that will take value from 0 to 255, and 255 is nothing but it is the duty cycle. When we are using analog write function, at that time you are supposed to write pin number as well as you are supposed to write about the duty cycle. So duty cycle will ranges from 0 to 255. It means what? When switch is off and when this board is on. So its value is ranges in between 0 to 255. And here in Arduino Uno board, where we are using tilt symbol with the digital pin. At that time, these pins are indicated. These are used for pulse width modulation. These are the concept we are using in ADC interface. Now we have to study about the temperature sensor. LM35 we are using as a temperature sensor. We are having here 3 terminal device. You guys can see this diagram. LM35 is a temperature sensor. It is used to measure temperature, which will be in between -55 degree Celsius to the 150 degree Celsius, and it is a 3 terminal device. Here one terminal is connected to the ground, one terminal is connected to the positive supply, and one terminal is used for the data communication. It means what? Here what we are doing? We are using here ADC to convert analog signal to the digital. But analog signal कौन सा है हमारे पास? We are using here temperature sensor as the analog. So here this data will be given from this terminal. So LM35 is an analog temperature sensor. This measures the value in the analog form. Arduino Uno board cannot accept analog signal directly, so we are using here ADC to convert its value to the digital. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We have to interface temperature sensor with Arduino Uno board. But temperature sensor जो values देता है, that value will be measured from -55 to 150 degrees Celsius, and these are having analog value. So we are using here ADC to convert this analog value into the digital. You can see how we are making the connection. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Arduino Uno board use कर रहे हैं. Aditya, please mute yourself. Okay, so what we are doing here, we have to interface LM35 temperature sensor with Arduino Uno board. That's why what we have to do, we have to use here ADC. How we are using? We are converting this analog signal into the डिजिटल. हाउ वी आर कन्वर्टिंग? बाय यूजिंग द एडीसी. और एडीसी में हम क्या करते हैं? प्रोग्राम में हम क्या करते हैं? एनालॉग रीड फंक्शन, एनालॉग वैल्यू इनपुट लेने के लिए जब हम उसको डिजिटल पिन को देते हैं डिजिटल आउटपुट, तब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? एनालॉग, we can use analog write function for the digital pins, and we are using analog reference to take reference value. मतलब ये जो reference we are taking the voltage. So what we can do here, we are having here 3 pin terminal component LM35. This is the temperature sensor. We can connect ground terminal with Arduino Uno board's ground terminal. We can connect its positive supply VDD or VSS supply voltage to the Arduino Uno board 5 volt supply, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 5 वोल्ट चाहिए. एंड वी आर आल्सो हैविंग इन Arduino Uno board 5 वोल्ट का सप्लाई है हमारे पास, एंड विच वी आर गिविंग आउटपुट. दैट आउटपुट इज एनालॉग, so we can give this output to the analog pin, and we are giving this output to the A0 pin. हमारे पास A0 से A56 एनालॉग पिंस है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? इसका जो एनालॉग आउटपुट है वी आर गिविंग टू द A0 पिन ऑफ द Arduino Uno board, which is the analog pin. You can see when we have to write the program, there will be algorithm. What will be our algorithm? Our algorithm will start from start function. When we start, what we have to do? We have to declare which variables we are using. Here we are doing interfacing of टेम्परेचर सेंसर, तो हमें ये टेम्परेचर सेंसर की वैल्यूज डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. एंड वी आर मेजरिंग दिस वैल्यूज इन एनालॉग. एनालॉग में वैल्यूज कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 0 से 5 तक है. तो यू कैन टेक 3.3, यू कैन टेक 4.5, एंड दीज आर नथिंग बट फ्लोटिंग वैल्यू. मतलब तुम यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट 0 या फिर 4 या फिर 5, वी आर नॉट टेकिंग इंटीजर्स, we are taking float values also. So we have to consider this temperature as a variable, as a float. So we have to declare these temperatures as a variable by using float data type. So we can write this temperature in the form of degree Celsius, or we can write this temperature in the form of Fahrenheit. These are the units for the temperature. You have to write about the float V out, मतलब we are getting how much voltage. यहाँ पे जो एनालॉग पिन को जो आउटपुट दे रहे हैं, we have to take that voltage, so we will take float V out. वो भी वैल्यू फ्लोट में हो सकती है. That's why we are using data type float, and these are the comments which variable we are using and for which purpose. I have written here. I will share these PPTs with you. You can go through it. And I am sharing our live session also in classroom, and also I will share after completion of our second unit in our WhatsApp group also. Okay, so here what we have to do, हमने रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर, हमने वहाँ के टेम्परेचर जो है LM के वो सेट कर दिए हैं. वी आर कंसिडरिंग the output of LM sensor. What we have to do now, we have to consider A0 pin to read the function, means what? To input the function. और जो output करना रहेगा, we will use pin mode function we are using to decide input or output. और जो write और read function है वो हम किस में यूज करते हैं? We will use this function in the loop. बट हम input और output जो decide करते हैं, we will decide at the start of program. So we can do these functions in the loop function. In the setup function, and this will be remains constant. You cannot change A0 as a output because setup function will run only once. तो हम ये क्या करेंगे, सेटअप फंक्शन में we will consider by using pin mode instruction A0 pin as a input. जो हम यहाँ पे A0 पिन को इनपुट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, we will decide in the setup function. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, we have to read the temperature and convert into the degree Celsius. So we are converting this output voltage from input analog value into by using this function as a V out equal to analog read A0. मतलब A0 के वहाँ जो भी वैल्यू रहेगी analog value that will be taken. So if you are writing like V out equal to V out into 5 into 100 upon 1023, then your value will get converted into degree Celsius. मतलब तुम्हारी जो वैल्यू रहेगी वो डिग्री सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. So here you have to write the function like temperature C equal to V out. The value of voltage will be taken as it is. After that you have to write temperature F, means what? You are supposed to convert the Celsius value into the Fahrenheit. If you are supposed to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, this is the mathematical formula. How you are converting. So I have written in the bracket. आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो यू आर सपोज टू गिव ब्रैकेट. तो ये वी आउट के पहले एक ओपन ब्रैकेट और 32 के बाद एक क्लोज ब्रैकेट देना है और उसके बाद सेमीकोलन. यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रैकेट देना रह गया है बट यू आर सपोज टू गिव हियर टेम्प एफ इक्वल टू इन ब्रैकेट again one bracket V out into 9 by 5 bracket close plus 32 bracket close. After you can give semicolon. It means what? Your Celsius value will get converted into the Fahrenheit and display on serial monitor. If you are supposed to display, you are used to use adc.display, adc.print function. We have studied in the serial communication कि display कैसे करना है. We have studied these things. So if Arduino analog pins are having voltage 5 volt, this is the maximum voltage. We are considering it is as a 1023. Suppose you are supposed to read the function 65. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to convert this value in the float. How will you converting? We are having the formula. हमें ये formula है V out into 5 into 100 upon 1023. By using this, we can convert into Celsius. और Celsius का डिग्री में करना है तो we are using this formula. This formula you will need to convert the value of temperature into Celsius and degree. So we can convert this value like V out into 5 upon 1023. You will get this value. So here 5 volt analog you are taking 1023 and if its value is 65 then you are getting decimal value 65 है तो तुम्हें यहाँ पे float उसका value कितना मिल रहा है Celsius में. You will get the value as if you are calculating the value for voltage then you are getting the value as 0.3167 in the float. Suppose you are reading the value analog 65 and you are supposed to store this value in V out. This will consider decimal value and if you are supposed to convert this decimal value, it will ranges from 0 to 1023. So here we can write 5 volt analog को तुम लिख सकते हो 1023 और यदि तुम्हारा x है मतलब unknown, if you are taking one constant variable, one variable, then you can take this value, you can convert this value like this. You will get 65 decimal को हमें क्या मिल रहा है analog उसका 0.31. We will see program in next session. I am just explaining about the how we are doing mathematical calculations to convert analog into the digital values. So here to convert this voltage to the degree Celsius, we know we are using LM35. We are using LM35 sensor, temperature sensor. So here 1 volt is considered as 100 degrees. So if you are use this formula, you will get the value for this voltage. Now I am taking your attendance and program we will see in next session. लेक्चर सब लोग अटेंड करो, तभी तुमको समझ में आएगा. Thank you. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask me. Otherwise, you guys can leave now and I will conclude my class. किसी को issue है, कोई पूछ सकते हो तुम लोग.